Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing conversion of Moore machine to millimachine. Just a small brush up. In millimachine, output is available at every transition, and in Moore machine, output is available at every state. Now, say for example, we have three states Q0, Q1 and Q2. Now, first step will be that we will take into consideration all the in moves to Q0, that is, we have two moves over here, Q1 to Q0 on 1 and Q2 to Q0 on 1. Now, since Q0 has 0 at output in its state, so both transitions which are coming towards Q0 will have 0 at its out. We have two moves which are coming to Q0. We will convert by adding output at the transition of 0, y0, because we had Q0 slash 0. Next we move to Q1. In Q1 we had two moves, one coming from Q0 on 1 and one coming from Q2 on 0. Now we will put 1 on both these in moves. Why? Because Q1 had 1 as its output. So these two moves will have output as 1 in their transitions. Now we will move towards the third state, that is Q2. In Q2 we had two moves which were coming, one from Q0 on 0, another from Q1 on 0. We will change these both moves from state Q0 slash 1 to transition of 1. So this is the final output which we get. We move to second question. In this we have four states, Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Similar to the earlier question, step 1 will be that we will identify all the states on Q0. Since Q0 has 0 as the output, the transitions which are coming towards Q0 will have 0 as their outputs. Next we move to Q1 state. In Q1 state, we have three in moves, one from Q0, one from Q3 and a third is a self loop on 0. We will just put 0 on all three moves at their transitions itself, and we have removed 0 from Q1 state. Next we move to Q2 state. In Q2 state, we have three inputs, one from Q0, one from Q1 and one from Q3. All these three moves will have 1 on their transitions. And next we move to Q3 state. In Q3 state, we have only one in move, that is on 0, and Q3 itself has a out move of 1. So we will convert this from 0 to 0 slash 1, and this is how we get the all four states of Moore machine converted to millimachine. We move to third question. In third question we have 5 states, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 at 0. All the states corresponding to Q0 will now have 0 in their transition, and output of Q0 slash 1 will be now converted to Q0 only. Likewise, we move to Q1. We see that there are two in moves on Q1, one from Q0, another from Q2. We will convert these both with 1 slash 0 and 0 slash 0, and Q1 will not have any output because output has been transferred to the incoming transition. Next we move to Q2. In Q2 we have only one state coming from Q1 on 0. So we will convert this by putting 0 slash 0 and removing this 0 from Q. Next we move to Q3. In Q3 we have two in moves, one from Q0 and another from Q4, both on 1. We will replace this by putting a 1 around both the moves, one from Q0 and another from Q4. Then we move to the last move, that is in Q4 we have 3 in moves from Q2 on 0, from Q1 on 1 and on Q3 on 0. We will remove all these transitions, and the output which we will get will be all three having transition output of 1 and Q4 having no transition. There is a minor error in this diagram. This Q3 should not have this one move. So we should have only Q3 over here because we have already removed this one in the previous step. This is a Moore machine corresponding to the millimachine which we had. So we can summarize this that we have discussed conversion of Moore machine to millimachine along with the examples. In the coming slides, we will discuss conversion of millimachine to Moore machine. Thanks for watching.